In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Desktop App. We'll keep things simple, clear, and secure so you can get up and running in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to claude.ai download. This is the official download page, and using the official source helps ensure you get the authentic installer without unwanted extras. Once you're on that page, choose your operating system. If you're on Windows, click the Windows option to download the native installer. You might see either an MSX package or a traditional .exe file. Both are valid. The MSX is the modern Windows packaging format with a streamlined setup, while the .exe is the classic installer that works broadly across versions of Windows. If you're on a managed work device, your organization may prefer one format over the other, so follow any internal guidance you have. After the download finishes, open the installer from your browser's downloads list or your downloads folder. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, select Yes to allow the installer to make changes. Follow the steps in the installation wizard. Depending on the installer type, you may be asked to choose an install location and to confirm permissions. When it's done, the Claude Desktop app will be added to your Start menu automatically, so it's easy to find later. A stable internet connection helps the installer verify files quickly, so if anything stalls, pause other large downloads and try again. A quick note in case you see a security prompt about apps from outside the Microsoft Store. This is a common Windows safeguard. If it appears, it indicates you may need to allow app sideloading in settings under Privacy and Security, then for developers. This simply lets Windows install trusted apps that aren't from the store. On some work computers, an administrator may need to approve this setting. Once installation completes, you're ready to launch. Open the Claude Desktop app from the Start menu on Windows, or from the Applications folder if you're using a Mac. On first launch, sign in with your Claude account using the same method you use on the web, such as a magic link or a Google sign-in. Depending on your login method, you might briefly be redirected to your browser to confirm authentication. Once verified, you'll be taken right back into the app. Keep your account details private and only authenticate through the in-app sign-in flow. That's it for setup. If the app doesn't open right away, try searching for Claude in the Start menu, closing other installers, restarting your machine, and launching again. If a download was interrupted, simply revisit the official page at Claude.ai download and grab a fresh copy. With the desktop app installed and signed in, you're ready to start working faster, with quick access right from your desktop.